The story begins with a determined doctor, sitting in her quiet study, holding her notebook and pen. Her eyes are filled with focus as she writes down ideas, pauses, lost in thought. She whispers to herself, "What if this could really work? What if I can make a difference?" With each word she writes, her determination grows stronger, and she knows that her ideas might have the power to change the world. She writes an email to a famous scientific company in Russia and sends it, with hope in her eyes that the company will reply, and dreams shining brightly within her. The next day, she receives an offer of $1 million from the company. She bought a ticket, packed her belongings, and headed to the airport. The company driver arrived to receive her, handed her a bouquet of flowers. At the company, she was welcomed by the world's top scientists who greeted her with great respect and admiration. With her knowledge and teamwork, she captured the hearts of everyone around her. After days of relentless effort and dedication, her experiment finally succeeds, exceeding all expectations. She not only wins the world's most prestigious science award, but also makes history. When she returns, she shares her story with children, inspiring them to turn their dreams into reality with hard work, determination, and kindness.